Ride in the 2013 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, heated seats, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, navigation package, power steering, backup camera. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.